Age is an online Montessori training center. We offer both the pre-primary and the primary Montessori courses online. I think that the courses offered at Formative Age are unique for many reasons. To begin with, they are very flexible because they are online courses and can be taken from the comfort of the student teacher's home. And this way they can also plan their study schedules based on their everyday work. Additionally, I think that for any program to be effective, the connection with the trainer is something that's very important. And I learned this through the 10 years of classroom instruction that I did. And so it was very important for us to have this in our online courses as well. So to stay connected with the student teacher, we have webinars which are held monthly, and the student teacher can get in touch with us through email or WhatsApp at any point during their learning journey to address obstacles that they are coming across or any questions that they have based on what they are learning at that point in time. Last but not the least is the course content, and I think this is really dear to me because I've put in my time to make this course as effective as I can. It has the core Montessori subjects like how Dr. Montessori has described in many of her books, and also we have subjects, some of them which will make teaching fun, like for example storytelling, circle time. And also there are some subjects which as a teacher you need for effective teaching, like for example knowing a little bit about special learning disabilities or knowing how you can use classroom management techniques so that there is effective learning that's happening. So all this put together makes the content really special.
This course was a life transformation for me. It helped me become a better parent, better person, and a normalized adult.
All of these courses have been great eye-openers for me personally, in the sense of understanding children, their psychology, the relationship between a teacher and a child, the relationship between a parent and a child. Also really understanding the crucial role of the environment that plays in the development of a child. So how important and crucial it is for us to provide the right environment to our children for them to flourish.
Formative Age not only teaches a Montessori method and how a guide should be, but also gives lot of opportunity for the guide to unfold its creativity, imagination, freedom and movement for understanding a child through child's perspective.
I thought it was well planned and laid out, which was easy for me to follow.
I enjoyed each session thoroughly, and each session taught me something different.
The best part about doing online is she's always available. From few seconds to minutes time, she will get back to you.
This curriculum helped me in creating interactive and innovative 3D models for children. The guidance and the training given made all this possible for me.
Each subject in this course has a purpose and is so beautifully demonstrated and taught during the course.
The assignments were very beneficial to the entire learning process.
I chose this course as an alternative career option and also because I could do it from the comfort of my home.
It was a great experience for me to undergo a program at Formative Age. Currently, I am working as a teacher and I am able to make use of the Montessori skills in my teaching profession.
Formative Age has helped me to unfold myself naturally.
This course lets you be very creative.
I really liked the flexibility of the timings.
This training has really helped me to better understand, comprehend to the feelings and unique needs of the children of different age group.
I recommend this to you as well.
The course is not only for the people who are aspiring to become a Montessori guide or a teacher, but it's a great value for all the parents in general. The course material, the projects, the assignments are really full of learning and fun altogether.
Mainly, I learned how to be patient in all situations with children, and I overcome all my shyness. Till date, it's helping me with my kids at my home and also in the community.
Me being a parent of 2 young children, I could very well relate to the topics given, and it was very easy to understand the videos because Ms. Smriti has put them in such a simple language, and also there were a lot of examples given. It has definitely made me a better parent, and that has been the biggest takeaway for me from this course.
I'm very sure that this course is helping me on a day-to-day basis as a person, as a mother.
So for me, the personal growth has been tremendous. My perspective about life has changed a huge way. So the biggest takeaway for me from this training is patience.
I'm so happy to say that I started my new Montessori school in the year 2014. The school name is Wings to Fly Montessori School.
Before, I was aware of this word called Montessori, but really I didn't understand what it means until I came across this course. During the course, I was so much involved with its practices and principles that I started believing in it. Formative Age gave me a platform which transformed me from the corporate world to the child-centric world as a teacher and an educator. This is how I started my journey as an educationist and started my preschool.
I very well remember the important piece of advice which you had given to us. That is to shed all our inhibitions while we are narrating a story or singing a song to the younger ones. This important piece of advice has helped me go a long way and become a better educator.
I had no doubt in my mind in choosing Formative Age for the online primary course because I did my pre-primary course with the Formative Age only, and your sessions and classes during that time helped me a lot to groom as a Montessorian, and this time to understand more about the Montessori methods for the elementary children.
One of my biggest takeaways from this course was understanding and equipping myself to cater to the needs of young learners and also help them handle their behavioral changes during their formative years. Also, it has played a major role in getting teaching opportunities while my stay in Hong Kong.
The course structure was very well planned, organized and executed by Smriti. When I joined this course back then, I totally rediscovered myself as a person.
It was a wonderful and enjoyable journey throughout my course.
Everyday session used to be very interesting and interactive. There is always a new learning and experience which are not only useful and applicable to teaching but also for real life as well.
It helped me in my self-confidence.
Overall, it was an amazing experience.
Getting trained in Formative Age surely takes you beyond the course to explore various aspects of understanding human mind in a better way.
I am so happy to be a part of Formative Family.
I'm really very proud to be a part of this Formative Age family.
When I started with this course, all I was expecting was some kind of teaching methodologies. But then I was in for a surprise because other than the teaching methodologies, a lot of importance was given to make us understand how a child is, what to expect, what not to expect, and how to discipline them rather than just control them.
This has also helped me to partially homeschool my son by making Montessori homemade materials too. One of the biggest takeaway for me in this course is live your life to the fullest and live each moment the way a child would. This has made me a better parent.
My goal for anyone who decides to take this course is for them to be able to understand the Montessori philosophy in its authenticity and to be able to imbibe skills which will help them create environments in which children can learn and flourish.